Greetings, Mark Brown here. This is our web page, right? We're actually going to create a web page. As you can see, we have VS Code open right here. So if you notice right up here, we have the document type, right? We have the heading type, right? Here we have heading. So notice HTML, we have the body and all that. And if you notice, the P stands for paragraph, which you have a paragraph. What we wanted to do to increase the paragraph in our web page right here. We're gonna do that. We're gonna come right up here, right where the title is. So we're gonna move the title right here, and then I'm gonna put style here. So notice, when I put style now, alright, let me go back because I miss out the bracket. Right, and that is something again you have to pay attention to. And then I'm gonna close the bracket. And as when I close the bracket, you notice these two, so press enter. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put P, because remember it's a paragraph I'm gonna increase. So I put the P right here, so that's space. I'm going to put the bracket, alright. Notice the type of bracket, you press enter, one is closed, or whatever. You notice, and cursor jump in the middle. So you notice this P paragraph in the middle. So you want to do now, we're going to type word font right here. Notice font, right? So we want to do, put a little hyphen in the middle. And then it says size. So whenever it's size now, then what I want to do, definitely put a colon right there, like that. Hit a little space, and there you are right there. So for instance, you want it maybe 10 or 20. I'll put it at 10. 12. Then you put PX. PX stands for pixel, right? And then you put a semicolon, right? Let me put it, get the right colon right there. Notice, you have semicolon right there. So you want to save it. You can press Ctrl S. You can come like this and do the same thing. All right, I'm going to open it. I'm going to minimize this. Alright, so this is our web page now. So we're going to right click. So we're going to open it in Google Chrome. Alright, so we're going to right click. You notice I'm not going to press and open. I'm going to come right here and say open with Google Chrome, and I'm going to click it like that. And you see exactly how it look like within my particular web page. Right, it's very important. Alright, so if you notice, definitely this is our have it right here. Alright, let me correct this. You notice I miss out the T. Alright, let me put a T right there, and then I can save it again. Alright, just like that. So let me minimize it. Alright, so this is the page actually coming up. You understand? Alright, you notice this is it right here. Alright, so you can connect this. You notice that's the size. Alright, I can actually go back again to the page right here. I can increase it. I'm gonna move it from there. I'm gonna put it at least 50. And then I'm gonna save it and see exactly what it look like. Alright, so we're going to bring it up back, and then we're going to come right here and refresh it. You notice how big it come up now? Just like that. So definitely, that's why you actually change the font size in your web page. So if you notice, just like that, I can actually change it again and bring it down to a different section. Just the same. So remember, look at the element, right? Style, you notice? So the paragraph you're dealing with, you actually put this section right out there. Yes, it's very important. So hope you have learned something from this particular video here. So remember, like, share, and subscribe. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.